Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you um, building a login screen where users can enter a username and password, and if the credentials are correct, the app will take the user to a welcome screen. So, the purpose of this app is to enter a username and password, click login. If credentials are correct, go to welcome screen, and if credentials are wrong, show an error message. So it's a basic authentication flow used in many apps as the first step. So we can see here the activity main, colors, themes, Android manifest, main activity, welcome activity, and the layout for activity welcome. So we have here the app folder. So inside the app folder, we can see here the Java or Kotlin folder. So inside the Java or Kotlin folder is the main activity and the welcome activity. And then resources folder is the contains everything visual or textual, the drawable. These are the important subfolders, drawable, layout, map values, and XML. Sa drawable is ani ang this contains the images, shapes, or icons. And if, like, for example, if you want to add a background of your screen, so you need to save it here, first here so that you can add a background in your screen. Then layout, so naisulod itong layout which is tong activity main and activity welcome. Then theme map is the app launcher icons, and the values we have the themes, colors, and strings. And we have here the manifest. This is the configuration file of your app. So you write all your app logic button clicks. Here the navigation between screens and other functionality. So sa ato ang activity main, we have here the design view, split view, and the code. So in design view, it is this shows the visual preview of your app screen. So on the palette, you see UI components like text view, um, button, edit text, and image view. And this is good for beginners who want to see the UI live while designing. And the split view, so Ani is where shows design visual on top and code XML at bottom. So this drag and drop on the visual side automatically updates the XML code. See, you can also edit XML manually and immediately see changes in design previews. So in code view, so we have here um it lets you write your XML manually for layouts. Name Anika. Write sa imong code sa imong XML manually. And here, that is good for complex layouts or if drag and drop doesn't give the exact position you want. So, dili ka gusto ari and so okay ra if manual ka mag-code and mag-write for your layout. And then you can see here the Android manifest, main activity, welcome activity. So, sa atong relative layout, you can see here, sa atong activity main layout, we can see here the relative layout. So, this is align it relative to another view. So, this is a drag a button. So, ang relative layout is this aligns relative to another view. And Um, we can see here the relative layout contains of edit text and button. Then edit text is for username, edit text for password, and a button for login. So, sa ito ang main activity. We have here the main activity. This link the UI elements. You can see here the imports, the intent, the bundle button, edit text, and toast. So, ang toast is man ang mag-pop-up message. So, kani is ano mga link UI elements and this handles the button click. So, in in that's here it gets what the user typed and the intent moves from in screen to welcome screen. So the toast shows a short pop-up message which is kung invalid if mali imong password or username niya. Iput is mo toast siya or mo pop-up message na invalid username or password. So we have here the username is admin and password is equals to 1234. Then we have here the Android manifest. So this is the main activity and the welcome activity. So how this app works step by step is the app opens and the main activity to the login screen, which user types the username and password, clicks a login button, and the code checks credentials. So if correct, go to welcome activity, and if wrong, shows a toast error. Then we have here we have here each package name. So package name is important. Package my application as well as in the welcome activity, the Android manifest, and the theme is my application. So the theme is same as the package name na my application, the name of the application. So activity main, ano siya mo enter username and password and login. So nga pwede ra siya if unsay gusto nimo nga position is magtatak siya. So moan sa imong activity main sa code. Thank you.